Sealing solutions for off-highway machinery and vehicles. Whatever the off-highway or agricultural vehicle or equipment, we provide a broad range of high-performance solutions that meet the operator's need. A typical sealing application is a bucket cylinder, which is common in construction equipment worldwide. The complex sealing solution includes high-mod sly ring as a wear ring, Zircon Glide Ring P as a piston seal, Orcot slide ring, and Zircon buffer seal as primary rod seal. The Zircon buffer seal has a back pumping and pressure relieving capability through its radial channels, giving optimum performance under high pressure. The solution also includes a static Zircon dual seal and a dynamic rod seal, the Zircon U-Cup RU9. Its advanced design makes it superior to conventional U-Cup seals. Better extrusion resistance means it can function within wider hardware clearances, as shown in this finite element analysis. In addition, a vented version of the Zircon Scraper DA24 provides a pressure relief valve function to prevent total wiper failure. Here's how it operates. As pressure builds up behind the wiper moves in the groove, relieving pressure to atmosphere. The final seal in the configuration is an O-ring. All in all, a complex design, optimizing performance. Here are more examples of off-highway sealing solutions. On a lift or boom cylinder. On an arm, dipper, or stick cylinder. On a bucket cylinder. There are mechanical face seals on the chain drive or track drive, which must withstand extremely harsh conditions. Trelleborg solutions are on the steering cylinder here. Again, on the bucket cylinder. And on the lift cylinder. The range of applications on off-highway machinery is extensive, ensuring the best performance possible. Here are further examples of our solutions. On the wheel hub, steering cylinder, and platform lift cylinder. With our market-leading selection of industry-specific sealing products, you can experience the most complete service and product offering from Trelleborg Sealing Solutions. Trelleborg